Hello, guys. Today I will introduce to you a case for the genuine Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, a silicone case with the S Pen. As you can see, detailed product information on the product box. Now join me in opening the box and discover what's inside. Because this box I cut before, but if it's you guys, use a special knife. If you can see, then inside the box is a case silicone and a S Pen. In addition, the box also has an instruction manual and a nib replacement tool S Pen. If you have free time, you can sit and read all the instructions in mind. I'm just kidding, who's free? As you can see, all accessories are packed into a very cute box. Inside the box there are two nibs, black, white, for you to replace when needed. The back cover is made of high-grade silicone that is easy to clean, against dirt. All the details are engraved with precision and are very convenient for users. Okay, now I'm going to fit this case with my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra to see what it looks like. Wow, holding it up is very compact, and for those of you who are smaller, I advise you not to use because when adding S Pen, the width is quite big. But with the S Pen design on the side is very convenient for us to use. The rear camera frame is designed almost entirely inside the box, leaving only the camera lens open, extremely safe. The case panel is raised higher than the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra screen to protect the screen from scratches and especially can be used with tempered glass for a more comprehensive screen protection. The grip is extremely comfortable and sturdy so you can use it with rest assured. The keys are extremely responsive and easy to operate quickly. Okay, that's my full review of this product. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. See you again in the next videos. Don't forget to share, subscribe, leave a few comments below.
You know